Why is cooking and cleaning frowned upon?
Todos eran muy bárbaros, se subían.
You guys are asking all these men if they can build a house. Can you guys build a house?
But I hate when guys ask you, can you cook? Because can you build a house?
For you to ask somebody else to build a house if you've never built one yourself, it is not equivalent to cooking.
When guys say, can you cook?
Can I cook? Absolutely. Cooking is a beautiful skill to have. It's a well-respected skill that's appreciated all over the world.
Can you build a house?
Can I build a home? Yes.
Can you change a tire?
Can I change a tire? Yes.
You're worried about my apron. Where's your tool belt?
I have both an apron and a tool belt.
Are you man enough to be cooked for?
If you don't want to cook, that's totally fine. A lot of men cook themselves these days. There's still plenty of women, such as myself, that work hard and that's willing to contribute to a relationship. Through cooking, through working, through having your back.